the most important hack when it comes to modding or learning anything, including programming, when it comes to figuring things out. This is an inversion, specifically in programming, or in this case, when it comes to, let's say, the asset editor, right? What you have to do is you have to fail as often as possible. I know school indoctrinated you in a wrong way, okay? Because school told you, listen, what you have to do is never fail, and a single mistake is gonna ruin your life. That's basically what school did, if we're absolutely honest over here. Which is, by the way, one of the worst things ever, and I think the entire school system should be reworked. But let's just shelve that for just a second. In programming is that you actually want to fail. It sounds crazy, but it is true. Because there's multiple fail-safes, so to speak. Number one, you can always go back. You have the ability to do Control-Z and go to a previous version. That is not possible in the real world, and that is a superpower that we have when we're programming. Number one. Number two, when you're actually trying things out and you're breaking things, you're like, why did this just break? And then you try it out again, and then you tweak it a little bit, and you're like, oh my god, now I understand how it works. Sometimes you have to disassemble something, which means breaking it, in order to actually understand it. And in code, that's totally fine. Specifically also asset editor or whatever it might be, right? So that's number two. And number three, you just have to be okay with sort of looking like a jackass to yourself and not understanding it, right? So I have no issue opening the IDE and being like, I don't know what the frick is going on. I have not seen this before. I'm just going to write sort of code. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't, it's fine, right? You have to be okay with thinking that you're foolish, because the only step to being competent, right? The first step to being competent is to be an idiot. There's no other way around it. It just is the case. And if you do that, then you can almost learn anything in the world. Specifically programming, definitely. There you go.